Hi guys, welcome to Zyojyo Tech. Today I am going to show you how can you share your mobile screen from the wirelessly in your laptop or computer. Okay, this is wireless method and very easy. First you have to do is press Windows plus I or go to the setting. Press Windows plus I to go to the setting direct. And after you have to go to the systems, scroll down and find on your optional feature, click here. Then here you have to click the view features, click yes, and click here to see available features. Here search wireless display, check and click add. Okay, and you can see wireless display. This feature is adding in my computer. If you are facing trouble, then go to the Wi-Fi setting and check there may be meter connection. If there is the meter connection, then this features will not be added in the PC. So check that first. Okay, this should be the public. Okay, and not to the meter connection also. Here is the meter connection. This should be turned off. Okay, now let's go to the settings system.
After adding features, follow these steps. Then after, go to your mobile phones and scroll down. Check for screencast. Features. Click the screencast and select the wireless display name like Zyojyo Tech, WIRELESS display. It is going to share my phone's screen. Done. If you face any issues on sharing display, let me know in comment box. Do share, comment, subscribe friends.